What's happening? Welcome back to another live stream. We are in the house. What's going on, everybody? We're going to talk about Bitcoin, something big. Something big's brewing here with Bitcoin. Larry Fink, Blackrock. Oh yeah, has a lot to do with it. What's up? Good morning to everybody out there. Hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. We got a couple videos already out this morning talking about a little bit of this, but I wanted to, obviously go live here, deep dive into it a little bit, and obviously get some people flowing in here, get some people fired up about what's happening with the markets. And yeah, so that's what we're going to get into. We're going to talk about it. Bitcoin's up over 64,000 right now. Ethereum is up to 3150. Real Dominicans, welcome to the stream. We're going to talk about what's happening, brother. We're going to talk about it all in this video, in this live. So yeah, we're going to get into it, man. Definitely going to get into it. We do have some bullish things happening with Bitcoin. So I'll mention this a couple different times throughout the stream. But we've got some word, and we've been kind of talking about this. Remember, I made some videos about this. Bitcoin being used in pension funds. And so that's kind of been in the background a little bit. And we also got some insight today from Mike Alfred over on Twitter that's got me pretty excited. So we're going to talk about that a little bit too. He said, something big is up. Larry was spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week. Don't bet against Larry or sell him your BTC. Larry means business. So this is the tweet that we saw come out this morning. Larry Fink, again, spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week. Don't bet against Larry or sell him your Bitcoin. And I wanted to kind of just talk a little bit about this news, about what's going on right now. So as we get some people file in, you guys know the drill. Find the three little dots, hit that, then hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. That definitely helps us out. So Brett on Solana is based rug pull insider trading. I haven't looked at the price, here, but let me see what's going on. I've taken profits on Brett. I've, made that very, very clear. I don't think it's a rug pull, but let's check in on that. We'll get back to, there's been a lot of FUD with Brett and Crash and all of this. No, it's still sitting at 400 million. I think it's perfectly fine. It's on a dip. It's on a nice little recovery right now. I still have a small bag, well, smaller than it once was. It's still worth like 10 grand that I'm holding. But yeah, I've done really, really well on Brett since $100 million market cap. But the big news on Bitcoin, guys, let's talk about this a little bit. Let's unpack it. There's a lot more than meets the eye. And we're not going to have all the info right in front of us because it's Blackrock. They're going to be behind closed doors. They're going to be doing things, obviously as secretly as they can. But the fact that Larry was spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week tells me that there are some big things happening here with Bitcoin that are outside of the scope of what we've seen thus far. That is going to be huge. Why the blackout? What do you mean the blackout? We haven't had a transaction. Is that what's going on? What's happening here? I'm totally new. I'm totally new to what's going on here. Let's hold on. Let's dive into this. Let's see here. Brett's still sitting at 400 million, but I think what you guys are talking about is there's no transactions happening right now, right? Brett is time to buy some. Well, I mean, I'm trying to learn what's going on here. I don't see any transactions coming through, and usually there's very, very high volume. So is there a reason why this is happening? Let's see what somebody says here. I have not heard anything or seen anything. I'm trying to find anything I can on it. This is why you always take profits, because you just never know in this crazy game of crypto. Let's see here. Okay, I don't see anything on here, but transactions look to be halting. We'll see what we can find out. BTC is going down before it goes back up. History always repeats. Yeah, I mean, we've been talking about that for a little while. Do you think ADA Cardano will hit all-time high 2024 or 2025? What is your prediction, expectation? My prediction's 2025. Do you think we moon in May? No. I would be pleasantly surprised if we do moon in May, but usually May is not a fantastic month for crypto. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of choppiness. Good morning, Duco. How we doing? Morning, brother. Do we expect a sell-off? Listen, I think the possibility for Bitcoin to go back down still exists under 60,000. The fact that we've reclaimed 64,000 right now is very bullish. Here's the outlier. If we get something based on this Mike Alfred tweet, who recently just put this out, this could be something really big for us. So if something like this breaks this week, something big is up. Larry was spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week. Don't bet against Larry or sell him your BTC. Larry means business. No matter what, I'm not selling him my Bitcoin, okay? No matter what, I'm bullish on Bitcoin long term. Now, in the short term, do we get a pump? Do we get a sell-off? What do we get here? Your guess is as good as mine. We can look at some of the technical indicators. We can look at some of the history and basically say that, yeah, I mean, a pullback is definitely in the cards. We've seen that many times before. Shortly after the halving, we get the pullback. And then, obviously, within 6 months, though, we get the massive run. Morning, brother. Do we expect to sell up? Okay, we got that. What do you think of Spell Token? I own a little bit. I own a little bit of Spell Token. I leave it over on Coinbase. Yo, let's Crow. Buy Crow before $1. I love it, man. Hell yeah. We're going to have a Kronos video coming out probably later today, too. So make sure you're subscribed so you see that one come across your timeline. If you guys aren't subscribed, definitely do that down below. Crow with knife. Kronos got some meme coins popping right now. That's for sure. H-bar for the win. I like H-bar. I do like H-bar. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at some of the top movers, some of the things we're watching, guys. If you guys are down for that, smash the like button, subscribe down to the channel. We're going to give you guys a bunch of free alpha here. We're going to run it down. We'll revisit this big news, obviously, too, about Bitcoin, too. So we'll revisit that in a little bit. But let's start at the top here. Kendu Inu. Have you guys heard about this? Kendu Inu. This thing has been popping off, okay? We bought this thing at like a $2 million market cap because Satoshi Kusama was following their Twitter account. This is Kendu Inu. Kendu, ending in 6C1B. Oh, appreciate you, brother. Already subscribed, my man. Do I think SHIB could start to rally soon? Right now, we're kind of stuck, Jay, but I do think SHIB will do well. We talked about it yesterday. Getting to a $100 million market cap, I think, is a good move. But yeah, Satoshi, guys, follows this account on Twitter, Kendu Inu. I found it when we had like 500 followers, now almost 2,000. So something might be brewing here. This has been a good investment for us. We're up 5X on this. It's been pumping like crazy. Kendu's one of the top gainers, up 26% today. We've got Roost over on base, up 19%. The chart still looks pretty brutal though. Hey, we just had somebody sign up with XT Algo. Links down below to XT Algo too if you guys want a trading indicator. ATR, our trade token, on a nice little surge here the last 3 days. This is in the real world asset area, $68 million market cap, our trade. That is ticker symbol ATR, contract ending in XPLJ. Just an egg on Sol, trending up a little bit today, up 9%. Mars Swap, let's see what we got. Mars Swap still way down from its all-time high, but sitting at 1.5 million. It's up a little bit today. Let's see, anything else standing out to us? There aren't too many small caps. I mean, we have some meme coins, definitely always pumping, but those are some of the ones we're watching. In terms of large caps, which I want to get into a conversation about some large caps too. If we take a look at what's going on there, Arweave has been on a really nice pump. WorldCoin is up. Render, good to see Render up a little bit. How about SingularityNet, AGIX, and Fetch, both up today as well. This is our top mover list from the top 100. Let me show you guys this. We've got Akash Network up 16+%, Arweave 15%, WorldCoin 12+, Render 11 or 12%. SingularityNet and Fetch, of course, they are alongside Ocean Protocol merging into the ASI token. So we're seeing some nice money come in here to AGIX and Fetch. Jasmy is something else we hold. We hold all of these. Render, SingularityNet, Fetch, Jasmy. Jasmy's up to the 2.0 level. We bought that at the 13 level. Loving it. Near Protocol, there's the Graph. We own some Graph as well. We were buying the Graph at 11 cents in the bear market. We did take some profits on our pump that we had when all AI cryptos pumped up. Toncoin has been secretly kind of doing its thing too. It's up 3+%. Avalanche getting a little bit of love right now. Algorand seems like it's just dying on the vine a little bit, isn't it? We don't own any Algorand right now. We exited that. Chainlink, we do own it. Man, it's been slow. Chainlink has been slow, but we are up a little bit here. Still sitting at rank number 16. Sui back up, bouncing up to $1.11. I really like Sui, guys. Really like Sui in this bull run. $10 Sui, I think, is in the cards. Ethereum's up a little bit. Bittensor, Tau. We do own some Mantle as well. MNT. There's Bitcoin. Solana down a little bit today. But we do like Sol. Let's see here. Gala's up a little bit. We own some Gala, of course. Jupiter looking okay, up over $1. Ondo Finance, we like this one a lot. Our average cost is right around 79 cents. I do like Ondo. Aptos, same thing. Aptos and Sui, very similar. Layer ones. I like both of these. Polygon has been lagging behind for a while. We still own it. We're holding it throughout this run. I do think we'll get a pump. Beam, we own some Beam. It's looking okay. Decentraland, we're out of that completely now. The whole narrative around Metaverse just has not popped. VeChain up slightly a little bit. Chronos, which is one I really like still. I'm going to do a video on them soon. Pretty flat today, sitting at 13 and some change. And yeah, Injective pretty flat. XRP down a little bit. Cardano down a little bit. Caspa is down. We just put a video out on Caspa. Stacks had been ripping back. Same thing with Dogecoin ripping back recently. There's SHIB sitting at 2.5 flat. We're down a little bit here today. Quant pretty flat, down a little bit. Optimism looks like a good play, I think, too. Bonk is interesting, and WIF obviously rounding out some meme coins. We put a video out on Pepe yesterday too. Something big is definitely brewing with Pepe. Really like Pepe still in this cycle. So it's kind of the quick rundown of the overall market. Overall market's pretty flat, guys. We're sitting at a $2.36 trillion market cap. That is a decrease of 0.11% over the last 24 hours. Let's see what we got in chat. By the way, guys, hit the like button. Only 30 likes, 400 people watching. We need to bump that thing up well over 100. We need to have well over 100 likes. Easily, we should be there. So find the 3 little dots, hit the like button, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Decario, I don't know about that one, Athletes Club. Dog with hat versus everybody, nice. Jasmine pumping, yeah, Jasmine's up a little bit. One of our top movers, I like it. I don't have a teaching course, but I am thinking about making one. And if I do, it'll be free. It'll be a free course. So we'll see. It's funny you say that. I've actually been thinking about creating just a beginner's guide and just making it free. Buy the dip on Crow. I like Chronos down here, under 15 cents. I do like Chronos under 15 cents. Guys, here on this channel, we're giving you guys free alpha. All right, so drop your questions in. We had some big Bitcoin news come out with Larry Fink. Mike Alfred said something big is up. Larry was spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not selling Larry or Blackrock any of my Bitcoin anytime soon. Zed is a new subscriber as of today, my brother. Guys, join Zed, become a subscriber. Let's go. Appreciate you, bro. Let's go. Fire up, baby. Fire up, fire up. What do we got? What do you think about Pepe and Bonk? I like them both. Pepe seems to be a better play for me right now. I own more Pepe than Bonk. That's just me personally, even at these levels. Thoughts on Bonk? I still like it. I still think Bonk will have another run here, especially as we get back into that retail push. Remember, Bonk is listed on Coinbase. Pepe is not. That could certainly help Bonk. But right now, where the communities are, man, I can't deny what Pepe's doing. Zach, thank you for your time, dedication, and for making me money. Thanks to your XT Algo and Patreon, all of this free alpha. Thank you for real, bro, from the bottom of my heart. And Saul, dude, I appreciate you, Real Dominican. Thank you for being with us over in the Patreon. Thank you for being part of XT Algo. Appreciate you guys. The Patreon link is down below. XT Algo, my trading indicator. We've got Margex, ton of great stuff down below in the description. So please check that out when you guys get a chance. I think you'll find something you like. And I appreciate you, Real Dominican. I really do. What about the LUNC dip? LUNC is interesting. You know, we're still waiting for things to be built on that chain. That's the biggest thing. And we haven't seen what we want to see in terms of growth there because nobody's really building on that blockchain right now. So that's kind of what we're waiting to see. Will developers come in and build on that blockchain? That's going to be the big question, the big test, if you will, for LUNC. ICP is interesting. I hold some ICP. The thing with ICP is it's high risk, high reward. They're trying to do some major big things. And they're really trying to flip the internet on the other side of its head. So it's a lot. They're trying to do a lot here. Do I love the idea? Absolutely. Absolutely. Squid Grow community in the house. What's going on, Squid Grow? What's happening? I'll tell you what, guys. We might do a major giveaway over on X today. I think we might do that. If you guys are not following me on X, it's at Z_Humphries. My Twitter's attached below in the description too. Make sure you guys are subscribed to me over on X because I'm thinking we might do a major giveaway. Now you got to be a subscriber here to be part of that as well. But it's at Z_Humphries. Make sure you guys are following me over on X. And if we run this thing up, if we get a ton of people to subscribe to the channel here while we're live, we're gonna do a major giveaway today over on X. Okay, major giveaway over on X. We do this a lot too, so make sure you guys are following us both here and there. Are you in HBAR? Yes, I am. I bought HBAR around 6 cents the first time, and then again at 10 cents. So my average cost is like 8 or 9 cents. I'm okay. I'm not thrilled with HBAR right now. There's been some good news, some weird news come out recently, but I am going to hold it throughout this bull run. Does it worry you that a bad relation between Gala founders? It sucks. It's not great. It's not good news. Does it change the way I feel about the potential Gala has as a ecosystem? No. And my hope is that they'll figure all of the nonsense out. And I still like Gala. Gala, Beam, and Mira are my 3 big gaming plays for ecosystems. I do own individual gaming plays too. I like gaming too. Is the bull run still going to happen again? Call me, I think so. Yeah, I think this is perfectly lining up with history. I think we are kind of in this no man's land after the halving into kind of a rocky, environment here for the next couple months maybe. And then I think things will turn later this year, and then we'll get into a full-fledged retail bull cycle met with institutional demand, I think, in 2025. That's my 2 cents. Okay? Guys, if you're just popping in, I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you guys do subscribe because, and follow me on Twitter. That link's down below. It's at @Z_Humphries. We're going to do some giveaways today. We're going to give back to the community because without you guys, I'm nothing. Without you guys, I'm nothing. Health and fitness, look at Floki. Floki's doing a lot. I think Floki's super underrated in the meme coin sector. No doubt about it. If you like meme coins with real utility, you like SHIB and you like Floki, okay? So you have to ask yourself, are you looking for the meme coins that are trying to make that move? Floki's doing a lot. Floki's doing a lot with their Token Fi sister token, which we were into it early. I really like what they're building. Really like what they're building. What's up, True? How we doing? Enjoy your content. Thank you. What's up, Ninja? How we doing? May we all receive blessings. Amen, brother. Amen. I love it. I love it. How do you feel about PNG? Chris, I've heard about it. I'm not invested in it. Don't really have a ton of feelings about it. Okay? And yes, as Real Dominican says, smash the like button. Actually, better yet, like the smash button. Come on now. Run that puppy up to at least 100. Marvin, be cool. What's up? You the man, bro. What's up, Cobra? A friend of mine told me that crypto bull run has been canceled. Is that true? Under what circumstances? Like, where are they getting that? What's the basis of that? I don't understand. Like, why would the bull run be canceled? Says who? Says who? What about Mainnet Z? Is bad down. Why? You get any news on that? Mainnet Z is definitely down. I'm a validator on their blockchain. It's so hard to get off the ground with a new layer 1. So I want to give them time to build. They do have a lot of great tech, a lot of great people building there. I've met those people. They're good people from what I can tell, in meeting them. And I still want to rock with them as a validator on their blockchain. I think they need meme coins. Any great blockchain these days has meme coins launching on there like crazy. That's what I think Mainnet Z is missing. So maybe we'll get some meme coin launches on there. Thoughts on XRP? What's up, Crypto Thon? How you doing, man? Hopefully you're subscribed to the channel. So let's talk about XRP real quick. XRP is interesting. My stance has not changed. I am bullish on XRP. I will be more bullish on XRP when and if we get more clarity, when and if XRP Ripple defeats the SEC completely. That is where I'll look to load up more XRP. For now, it's not a top 10 holding of mine. You can't deny the technology that Ripple has, and I think there's tremendous opportunity and tremendous upside potential with the price of XRP. Given that we already have clarity that it's not a security, an investment security on the retail side of things. We're still waiting for clarity on the institutional side, though, to really have a better idea on what's going on. So Vita Inu, basically the same as Floki and SHIB. What's your opinion on it? Isaac, I don't know anything about it. Do you think Ethereum is a security? Scott, I personally think Ethereum will get an ETF. Now, whether it's going to be a registered security or not, I don't know for sure. Their move to proof of stake kind of hurt them a little bit in the eyes of the SEC. Now, how much stock do you put in the SEC? Well, that's up to you. Here's what I know, though, when it comes to the SEC. If there's somebody bigger and badder and better than the SEC who can defeat the SEC, you know who it is? It's Larry Fink and Blackrock. And what does Larry Fink and Blackrock want? They want an Ethereum ETF. Larry Fink and Blackrock are utilizing Ethereum in order to build their RWA fund. So that tells me Ethereum's going to be okay. That's the bet I'm making. That's just my opinion. What's going on, Alex? How we doing, man? What can you say, if anything, about PBX? I don't know about it, man. You looking for billions on that Kendu holding? Kendu Kid, what's up? What do we got? What do we got, baby? What do we got? What's Kendu going to do? We're at 10 million. I'm holding. I bought a few $1,000s worth back at 2 million. I like what's brewing. Shaitoshi following them early on. I'm like, hey, what's happening here? So Kendo Kid, what's your price prediction, man? Let me hear you. I love it. Do you hold any Shibarium tokens? Yeah, we do hold a couple Shibarium tokens. I mean, obviously, we've got Bad Idea AI. We've got K9 Finance. We've got Shib, Bone, and Leash. And we also have MarSwap. Trying to think if we have any other Shibarium-based cryptos. I think MarSwap's the only one we hold. I think other than the ones just listed. 10 billion? Okay. Let's go. Is Kendu Inu the one? Let's go. It's looking good, man. It's looking very good. It's got a ton of volume coming in, 834,000. Nice green candle today. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candle in a row. Eventually, we're going to get some type of pullback. But the fact that we set all-time highs, hey, I'm excited about Kendu. This is interesting. Kojak, bullish on Kendu. What's up, bro? Tim, ADA for the win. Let's go, Tim. We need Cardano to start moving, baby. We need Cardano to start moving and grooving. What's been going on, man? It's been slow. It's been very slow. You still have those cryptos live on X every Monday night? Still have those crypto live on X every Monday night? So yeah, Monday mornings. Yeah, we'll be back on X Monday morning. We've missed the last couple because we were in Dubai and then we were in Vegas traveling. It's been nuts, but we're back home. Hardly home, but always repping, baby, as Drake would say. But we're back home in the condo, ready for a beautiful week in crypto. Let's go. Subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. You already know the drill. Hit the like button, too. We don't even have 100 likes. What the hell's going on here? ADA for the cleanup win. I think ADA, that's a great point. I think ADA will make a surge later on in this cycle, like it did back in 2021. I don't think Cardano's done. A lot of people want to say Cardano's a ghost chain. And listen, your opinion is your opinion, Mike. I get it. Listen, I'm a little over-leveraged myself, so maybe I'm a little outspoken here. But I love Charles Hoskinson. I love what they've built in terms of, their blockchain, bringing in developers, a lot of developers here within this bear market. Are there going to be faster horses, faster movers than Cardano in this bull cycle? Absolutely. Do I wish I would have taken profits back in 2021 and bought back with less? Yes. But I'm not giving up on Cardano. I'm not ready to sell my whole bag and get out. I do think Cardano will move as all ships rise when that full bull cycle hits, when the retail money comes back, when everybody and their brothers flocking back to crypto. They're going to go back to OGs. They're going to go back to cryptos they've heard about before. Cardano's been around since 2017. I don't think it's going anywhere. Do I think it's going to be as fast as a mover as, let's say, Kaspa or let's say Sui? Probably not. I'm betting big on those. Ondo Finance, right? I'm making some big bets, and I'm well diversified, Mike. I'm not going all in on Cardano. I'm not just the Cardano guy, okay? I don't play that game at all. I want a piece of a lot of different pies and keep a well-diversified portfolio to hedge against various things that can happen. That's it, right? I'm not a one-size-fits-all guy, okay? I'm not a maxi of anything. If there's anything I'm a maxi about, it's crypto. It's blockchain. It's the technology, and it's the future of finance. That's where I'm at, okay? So that's my feeling. That's my feeling on it. Let's see. Do you stake any crypto? I'm not a big staker myself. I have my Cardano staked, and I have a little bit of Ethereum staked, not all of it. But other than that, I really don't stake too much crypto. I like having things liquid because as things move, I want to be able to make moves. That's just me personally. Let's see. TNC. I don't know about that one, man. I do not hold any aerodrome yet, but we've been looking at it for a while. Let's see where it's at, actually. Aerodrome Finance, $1.22. Okay, it's coming down. Man, it was all the way down to 90 cents recently, huh? But I like that it's come down well off of $2, sitting at $1.22 right now. Interesting spot. I do like aerodromes, especially at a $530 million market cap. This is one that I definitely have been looking at for a while, so I appreciate the reminder. How do you cancel a bull run? LOL, Kendu's pumping like some sneakers. John, let's go, baby. Let's go, Kendu. You can do it. You can do it. Slow as always, only ADA holders will know. Yeah, for sure, Tim. I've been around with Cardano since late 2020, early 2021, so I know the drill. I know the drill. I'm willing to wait. I do have my exit strategies in place, though, and I'm ready to take profits this go around for sure. Thoughts on Arcam? I like it. I don't own it. I know it's been doing pretty well over the last 8 months or so. CJ, been grinding for us. Yes, let's go, real. Caution. He did a live stream from Saitama Inu's Vegas show. He got people geared up for Saitama and it totally tanked. LOL, his mods deleted my last comments. RF, what's up, bro? Yeah, Saitama was crazy, man. Everybody got their ass kicked there, including myself. Although I publicly went on and said I was selling after the Vegas event because it was an absolute shit show. So that's the risk you run in crypto, man. You know, we put our hard-earned money in there, and if the devs want to actually fulfill it and take the project where it could go, great. But we have bad actors in crypto, man. I can't control that. I'm just a dude like you, RF. So appreciate you for coming onto the channel, man, and hopefully you're subscribed. James and Games, what's up? Let's go, everyone. 400 views, no more than 100 likes. Come on, family. Yeah, 100 likes. We need 11 more for 100 likes. Come on, guys. It's easy. It's easy. Redo over Cardano. I don't know about that one. Pepe over Cardano. I'll probably have to go Pepe. For more X's, Pepe. Just look what Kendu is doing lately. Next big thing. Yeah, Kendu's looking good. Kendu's looking good. It is looking solid. Crow, Gala. I like them both. I hold them both. Which one I think will do better? It's tough. Kronos has so much potential. And there's so many reasons to love Kronos, but there's a lot of reasons to love Gala too. I'm in ADA from 2019, so nothing to complain. Did pick 75% of almost on the top. Gotcha, man. Gotcha, Tim. Do I think Crow will hit $1 soon? Well, define soon. Like in this bull cycle, I think yes. That'll set all-time highs, in my opinion. But I mean soon, if you mean like tomorrow, no. Silent swap, don't know anything about it. I'm bullish on Ondo, been doing well for me. 100%, Chris. I like Ondo a lot. I like Ondo a lot. I like the RWA space a lot, and none bigger than Ondo. I mean, simple as that. So that's the bag I hold. I hold the biggest bag of Ondo in the RWA space. Litecoin is interesting. A lot of people still interested in Litecoin, and I like it, but on the other hand, it's like, I don't know. I do think Litecoin has some things going for it. A, it's been around for a really long time, and B, it's proof of work. And C, from a technical standpoint, Litecoin's amazing. It's just getting people interested in it, right? And if the institutions come in, though, for Litecoin, that's the outlier. If the institutions come in for Litecoin like they did with Bitcoin, things could get really interesting. Things could get really bullish for Litecoin, 100%. So keep your eyes on that news, and we'll be covering it if something breaks. There's been rumblings about it, that Litecoin could get their ETF even before an Ethereum ETF. I'm well aware. I hear the stories. I hear the rumblings, and it's interesting to me. But for now, I don't hold any Litecoin, so that could be a mistake, though. We'll see. You can't own everything either. That's the other thing, right? You've got to draw the line in the sand somewhere. You've got to be, creating your portfolio accordingly of how you see fit. Junior with a $5 donation. What's up? Appreciate you, man. 2 questions. Would you buy Phantom right now? How about Helium Mobile? Can you go into depth? Junior, I know about Helium. I've never utilized it though, but the use case is brilliant. I love it. I was a big fan of Phantom back in 2021. There's just so much competition now for Phantom. And that's one thing I think is definitely going to happen in this bull cycle, guys. There's a lot more competition. So a lot of different sectors are watered down. You've got to dig in deeper and really put your foot in the ground. And then also, I think balance that by looking at new asset classes, new sectors like RWA, like Bitcoin layer 2s. We talked about stacks before. Layer 3s are coming, gaming. It's a crowded space right now. So I don't own any Phantom right now, but that could change depending on news, etc. But there's a lot of competition. A lot of competition in a lot of these popular sectors like L1s, L2s, DeFi, etc. So it's going to be harder and harder. Pepe is amazing. Leverage ETH. Yeah, Pepe's been phenomenal, and it's quietly been crushing it. If you want to trade Pepe on leverage, by the way, guys, Margex, link down below. Margex is an awesome platform. 20% sign-on bonus using my link. Links down below to Margex. If you're interested in leverage trading, it's an awesome platform. No KYC. What's the deal on Bonk? It's been kind of stuck right now. It's just kind of stuck. But I do think Bonk's still okay. I think it'll have another run when memes pop off a little bit. Punky, I still own a little bit. We've done well on that trade. That's a Solana meme coin for those of you guys wondering. I'll be waiting for a Kendu dip. Nice reel. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's a meme coin play. It's a degen play, but it's been a good one for us. It's been a good one. What's the massive thing? I'm late. Yeah, so we covered this a few different times. If you are just popping on, the massive news is this right here. It's this right here. This is the massive news that we've been talking about, guys. Mike Alfred just posted this earlier this morning. Something big is up. Larry was spotted leaving a meeting with several representatives of sovereign wealth funds this week. Don't bet against Larry or sell him your BTC. Larry means business. So we talked about this with pension funds in Bitcoin. This could be huge, guys. And I think something really big is brewing here with Bitcoin, with Blackrock. I think there's a lot more than meets the eye right now. And this is kind of what we were talking about earlier in terms of, Blackrock getting even more in bed with Bitcoin, if you will, right? So very excited to kind of see how that plays out. Let's take a look at the overall markets here, guys. Bitcoin at 64,400, pumping nicely right now. This is a proper pump for Bitcoin, guys. Love it. And we're seeing all coins start to move. You love to see it. Do I think Pepe will fall after the weekend? If I knew that, I'd be a gazillionaire. But I like Pepe long-term in this cycle. If you guys do want more trading signals, trading indicators on short-term trading, or best entry points for long-term, XT Algo, my trading indicator, is available down below in the description. Great tool for you. Check it out. Bill Costs, $5 donation. My man, speaking of Litecoin, what are your thoughts on Grayscale LTCN? No, I think it's good for Litecoin, Bill. I think it's good. It's obviously, it's an OG, right? It's an OG. The thing with Litecoin is they haven't been able to get the retail demand. But I think it's a very bullish thing for Litecoin. 100%, Bill. And I think there's a lot of upside potential there. If Bitcoin goes up, then Litecoin should. Yeah, Brandon, you would think, right? It's all going to depend on if institutions back Litecoin, look out. That's where things could get a little crazy. If institutions start backing Litecoin, that's where things could get a little crazy. And I mean bullish for Litecoin. Yeah, as True said, hit the like button, guys. Smash the damn like button. We're out here on a Sunday for you guys, hanging out, talking crypto, breaking it down. Real estate coasters, you must have sold your house and jumped into Saitama without doing your research. Zach is a stand-up guy. Yeah, James, listen, there's haters out there everywhere. And if I don't have any haters, that means I'm not doing anything right. So people love to hate, that's fine. But negative people, internet trolls, negative energy, it never gets you anywhere in life. You're only gonna go backwards. And we're trying to go forward. So if you guys wanna go forward, and listen, we all make mistakes when it comes to investing, especially when it's investing in crypto. I made a big mistake believing in Russ and believing in the whole Saitama thing. But so did a lot of people. But I realized the mistake once I came home from Vegas. I went on and publicly said, I'm getting the hell out of there. That's the difference. I didn't stay in there. I didn't stay in there and say, woe is me, right? But a lot of people like to point the finger. It is what it is. It's not going to bother me. What crypto platform do you use? Oh, a lot of them, man. A lot of them. I mean, it depends on centralized, decentralized. I mean, just kind of depends. I like Render a lot, Jake. I like Render a lot. I've been in Render for a while. I've been in Render for a little while. I like Render quite a bit. What about lovers, Zach? We all love you. Hey, what's up? What's up? Appreciate that. Zach is one of the genuine creators. I appreciate that, True. Heard of Zebek. They're utilizing payroll for business to pay standard employees in crypto and having W-2 rollout on it. Nah, I haven't heard about that. Check that out. Real world asset goes up. Of course, Chainlink to develop such products needs off-chain data. Yeah. And I love Chainlink. Super underrated, I think. Super undervalued. Jake, my man, you my man, bro. You the man. No, you the man. You the man. Do you know the best crypto platforms to trade if you live in New York? If you're looking for centralized platforms, Coinbase would probably be the one if you're in the United States. Thoughts on leverage? Randy, here's my thoughts on leverage. It's not for everybody. And if you're going to do it, start slow and teach yourself as much as you can learn about leverage before you start going heavy. Can you make a ton of money in leverage? Yes. If you need a leverage platform to get started on, I would start with like $100. Link down below to Margex. You can check it out. I've got, that's an affiliate of mine. Shout out to Margex. But I don't like, leverage the house, okay? I'm not a huge leverage trader. I dabble in it a little bit. I'm more of a long-term investor. I do swing trading as well with XT Algo. That's my trading indicator. And I do a little bit of leverage trading over on Margex. Zach, why are you lying? You told people you still have faith in Saitama team after the Vegas event. I said I do. You're right. But I also said that I was taking a ton of profits. And then shortly thereafter, we lost faith again, real estate. So I don't know if you were there with us the whole go at it and all during the live streams, but that's kind of how it went down, man. Zach is an OG. Appreciate you, senor. Any thoughts on TON? Been looking at it recently. Man, I just feel like I missed the boat on TON coin a little bit and I haven't caught up. And, sometimes when I miss the boat, I don't want to just buy the top. BidFi, bro. I've heard about BidFi. We're going to be getting an account. We're going to be doing some stuff with Blowfin. So be on the lookout for that. That's going to be another exchange, a new exchange that we're going to be working with, Blowfin. What do you think about industrial DeFi projects? Tell me more. We got the Zelda 2.0 launch today at 2 p.m. Eastern. Hypermix, appreciate that, man. Appreciate the super chat, too. Hollywood Jules, what's up, bro? Book of Meme got a nice double bottom in now. Yeah, I put a $1,200 or $1,000 into Book of Meme, so we'll see what happens. I think I was up to $1,100 or $1,200. It hasn't done anything crazy, but it hasn't sold off like crazy either. Got my Blowfin ID. Oh, nice, True. For those of you guys who don't have it, be on the lookout. We're gonna have that up and running soon, and we're gonna be doing some cool stuff with them. So, pretty pumped about that. I think I'm gonna be doing some giveaways if you guys sign up with Margex too. So be on the lookout today. We're gonna do a big giveaway. You got to be subscribed here. You got to follow me on X because we're gonna do the giveaway over on X. So be on the lookout for that, and it's gonna have to do with some things with Margex. So. It's a cool way to learn how to leverage trade a little bit using a small amount because it is risky. Corey Popoff, negative energy. We don't need it, brother. Just leave. Randy, hello from Puerto Rico, bro. What's up, Randy? Crow with a knife. Might 100K this week. Finance listing. Nice, Roberto. 100X. Gotcha. Can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday, Maddie. Happy birthday. Can you explain leverage for me, please? Yeah, so leverage trading is, basically you're betting big on a crypto that will go up or go down. So if you get called on your leverage trade, you can lose a lot quicker. So it's a form of trading. Now on Margex, you can 50x leverage, which is crazy. Okay. But you want to use a smaller amount of your initial funds that you have. It's not something you want to go very, very long on. And you expose yourself to any crypto, okay? You could do leverage trading in the stock market. You could do the leverage trading in pretty much all markets. And basically, you're borrowing money that you necessarily don't have, okay, when you do this. So it's high risk, high reward. It's very high risk, high reward. But it's a way that you can definitely increase your returns. If you're already a seasoned trader and or if you're more risk adverse. But basically, you're gaining access to money that you don't necessarily have. They're basically lending it out to you. So you're borrowing money in order to make an investment or make a trade. So when you're trading on leverage, you're going into debt. That's the other thing to keep in mind. Wow, this thing's pumping like crazy. Arweave is pumping, man. Arweave looks super bullish right now. Highest it's been in the last month. And man, Arweave looks really, really good right now. This is Arweave, guys. Decentralized storage. $40 right now, but look at the all chart. Here's the last year. Looks really, really good right now. Man, if we break out of this zone, Arweave could make a run at it here. Arweave is kind of like a newer age file coin. Looks really good. Jasmine is on fire too. You guys want to see what vitamins I take? Here's your cocktails. You ready? Vitamin C. We got Alpha Brain. We got modern mushrooms. We got B12, vitamin D. We got better turmeric, and we got some athletic greens knockoff stuff. And then we got our blackout CBD gummies for the evening time. Oh yeah, that's our cocktail right there. That's what we do. I like Preem. Jeff, definitely, man. Preem's up over 1 million market cap, I think, right now. Your floor looks good. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's all done. It's all put in now. So we got the kitchen table. I got this big picture of Venice that I got to hang up on the wall, but this thing's pretty sweet. Big picture of Venice is going to go up on the wall there. Got the natural wood. This is like a little bathroom here, and this is the laundry space. Little patio outside here. You get some stuff out there. That's supposed to be where the washer and dryer goes, but I use a service because, I'm in crypto. I don't have time to wash clothes. But, yeah, the floor came out pretty nice, man. There's the kitchen area. We've got the furniture in here now. So it's coming together, man. It's coming together. We got the TV up here on the wall. Some candles. We got a candle burning, I think. Oh, yeah. There we go. So it's coming together. It's coming together. This chair is so comfortable. Epic. It's coming together. Wait till we do the basement. Once we do the basement, we're gonna get a new studio downstairs. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic. So super excited about that. Brand new studio in the basement. So, all right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. Coming up on the hour. I appreciate you guys so much. I know, candles surrounded by wood. I know, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. Links down below, Margex. Links down below, XT Algo. Links down below to Bybit. All my affiliates, check them out if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on X too. We're gonna be doing a big giveaway later this afternoon or this evening. Make sure you're following me on X. Twitter account is down below. I appreciate you guys so much. We'll be watching the markets. Let's get it, man.